A secret is only as good as the vessel that holds it. Today, we shall construct a sanctuary for our most delicate botanical findings. If you have been longing for a place to secure your pressed blooms and whispered notes, look no further. The conservatory keeper is about to be revealed. Welcome back to Rosewood Manor Prints. I'm Asara, and it is my distinct honor to guide you through today's assembly. We are preparing our tools and our hearts for a journey into the Botanical Secrets collection. Before we begin our grand journal, we must first master this, the Conservatory Keeper. It is a free gift from my heart to yours, designed to keep your ephemera as organized as a lady's dance card. If you haven't yet procured your download, do hurry to the link below. We wouldn't want you left behind in the drawing room. Before we continue, for the crafters that are new to the channel, do mark your journals. Our promenade gathers twice weekly, every Tuesday and Friday. By joining our society, you aren't just crafting, you are building a legacy. I promise that when our work is complete, you will hold a fully realized heirloom journal in your hands. To keep your journey seamless, I have curated a special playlist for you. Consider it your private library, where every past lesson remains at your beck and call. To keep current on the whispers of the tongue, simply subscribe and strike the bell. It is after all the only way to ensure the footman announces the arrival of our next chapter the moment it reaches the parlor. Should you wish to procure these very same patterns and materials for your own journal, you will find a full inventory list tucked discreetly within the description box below. If these designs have captured your heart, the Botanical Secrets collection awaits you in our Etsy boutique. Details are listed below. Or if you are viewing on your parlor screens, that is your television, let this QR code be your magic key. Simply aim your camera and click. The boutique doors are always open for you. Now, shall we begin our assembly? So, in your kit are 3 pages. You have the front page for the Conservatory Keeper, and then the inside page. And the inside page has 2 options, either option A here with these beautiful images, or a blank inside. So if you want to use this as a greeting card, perhaps you can use that as well with a blank inside, or if you simply like the look of a blank inside for this Conservatory Keeper, that works absolutely fine as well. Then you have, of course, your beautiful botanical cards, and then you have 2 options for pockets, this green pocket option and the floral pocket option as well. So make sure to download your freebie, it's linked below. So I went ahead and I cut out all of the pieces. Let's decide which variation to pick. I think I'm going for this option here, the images, and well, let's see which pockets we'll decide once we have put the images together. So I went ahead and I inked around the edges with a Tim Holtz Distress Oxide in frayed burlap. Next, let's glue these 2 pieces together. And then I'm using a bone folder to make sure the glue is evenly spread. Now, do not put down your bone folder just yet. While the structure is sound, we have yet to add the truly scandalous details, those hidden pockets that make a keeper truly worthy of a rosewood mystery. Stay with me, for the most exquisite layers are yet to come. So which pockets should we use? Yeah, let's go with the green ones. Simply putting some glue here on the outside, like so. Beautiful. And next, we'll fold over. Simply use a bone folder to straighten out the edges. Beautiful. Now I want to add a little bit of ribbon here. I think that will go well. And so I'm going to put some holes here. And when I fold it over like so, I can see exactly where the hole goes. There. So now we have our holes here. And I like to put a dot of glue on this little tail end here. Just a little bit of art glitter glue. That way it looks like a cleaner finish. Yeah, just like so. So I'm just going to put a single knot for this ribbon and then cut this fairly short, just like so. And then I'll add a little bit of glue. But of course, you can use any kind of closure that you prefer. Now, let's put in some of our beautiful botanical cards right here. Oh, how cute! And lavender goes here. Oh, how pretty. And there we have it, a keeper fit for the most discerning botanist in the town. I hope this little sanctuary brings a touch of grace to your crafting desk. But do keep your inputs ready and your ribbons at hand, for our journey has only just begun. This Friday, the manor doors swing wide open for a truly grand event. We shall begin the assembly of our first signature, Glasshouse Secrets. We will be layering vellum, lace, and history itself into the very foundation of our Botanical Secrets journal. You simply cannot miss it. It promises to be the most talked about assembly of the season. Until then, I remain yours in lace and ribbons, and with much love, Asara. Good day.